I installed Ubuntu, but all of them and Fedora, none of them are quite as user-friendly. If you're coming over from Mac world, you're like, pampered, aren't you? And even Windows, everything's a little bit slicker for you. And Linux world is not quite like that. It can be a bit harsh and a bit of command line. But a Linux Mint sits in the middle of all this. It's really slick, good to use, really solid, and it's well supported and looks after old hardware. So there's a great community for it, and it's really well used. So I'll do some other videos. I've got my old Mac laptops. I mean, Linux Mint runs on them amazingly and turns them into really usable machines again. But the thing that's inside this one, which I'll come to later, because I'll put OBS on here for you, is it's got HQV or something. So it's got the inbuilt QuickSync thing, the encoder. So the hardware encoding is built into the Intel chip. So for OBS, and I'd imagine as a Plex media server, but we'll do that in another video, this could make quite a useful machine. Now, as I said, I mean, some of the installations go on this quite easily, but you do have to go through some hoops when you install this, because it's obviously because of the T2 chip. That's why you have to use these special ISOs to do it. If you try and go through the hoops with normal ISOs, it won't work, or you have problems. I mean, you can't put Bazzai on this. You can't put, what else can't you put on this? And you think, you can't get, I mean, you can put them on there, but you have to add the kernels, which is what gets really super technical. So you can just go and download these, and then it'll just do it all for you. And the other thing is that because that T2 chip controls certain aspects of the input-output stuff, Wi-Fi drivers, and you just can't install normal Wi-Fi drivers. You have to do it in a particular way. But the amazing people who do these ISOs have made it really super simple to install this stuff.